A strange object was recently recorded flying dangerously close to a plane somewhere in the US. The pilot tried to focus on it much further away before almost colliding with the UFO. The object seems similar to the Gimbal UFO previously released by the Navy, also moving belly first, like many alleged sightings.
We know that our service members have encountered unidentified aerial phenomena, and because UAPs pose potential flight safety and general security risk, we are committed to a focused effort to determine their origins.
Pressure on the Department of Defense is growing as new public UFO hearings are planned for this month.